hate them.
Okay, we're gonna put milk, Ritz crackers,
Some Nutella.
salami, and we'll see how it tastes. Okay.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna barf on this one.
Me too. Ritz crackers in it. Tastes good now.
Wait till they go in. Do you really have to add the meat?
And Nutella. Tastes really good.
It's not going to taste very good.
Nah.
Oh. Tastes good. Want to put the milk in, Jeff?
No.
Hey, it's a dog.
We don't put too much soap because we don't want a lot.
No. Okay.
Man, this one's gonna be probably the nastiest one.
First of all,
First one was pretty
this
nice,
is random stuff we're putting in here, okay?
but
okay.
still, it's
So
gonna
which
be
one?
nastier.
We'll see, it's dripping. No, it's leaking this stupid thing.
Okay, where's the lid?
Right here. Okay.
Okay.
You see what we got in there?
So beaten smoothie again?
No, use a different one this time.
No,
Let's
ice crush.
do great. Ice crush.
Ready?
Oh.
This is going to be the worst one.
This isn't
I'm scared.
I'm scared.
That's nasty.
Let's see. It tastes like the beans. Smells like it. Look the camera in there.
I'm not trying it.
Oh my god.
I'm not
Yeah,
trying
you have to.
I'm
It
not
doesn't
trying
matter. It
it.
doesn't matter. Oh, it doesn't matter.
I don't want to try it.
Just a little tiny bit.
No.
You're going to
Oh.
try to do it. You all have to
Just a
try.
little bit, Jeff. Just a little bit.
Here, someone wash your glass.
You want everybody to think you're a scaredy cat?
No.
Oh, I'm kind
Whatever.
of scared of this too.
I'm scared. Here, wash your cups up with the juice.
Yeah, I already did.
Alright.
I'm gonna puke.
Let me closer to the sink.
Yeah. It's,
I'll just be over here. Here, just pour mine and then...
I'll pour mine because
I wanna pour yours.
I only want a little bit. That much. Oh my god.
So be our last
That's
food
good,
taste.
that's good. That's good. Oh my god.
Yeah, it doesn't look that good.
Go.
Cheers.
Cheers. For the finals.
And you're cleaning that mess too. Okay, your turn.
Want to try some?
I know, it is disgusting.
I hate salami the most.
Same with me.
I think I got lost in the Nutella.
I think I'll just have some salami after, nothing else.
Now I'm scared.
After this, we're going to do the invisible rope next time.
Okay, bye.